here. So these guys are going to be leaving the family one day. So right now they're practicing fight. This is how big elephants would fight, tussling with each other like that. So this is not too serious, this is just pushing around.
Yeah.
Little boy racing.
Boys will be boys, right?
Yeah, oh, very true. Oh. He's obviously straining himself too much, that one.
He's pooping.
I know.
Playing and pooping at the same time.
The other one's bigger.
I will see.
Yeah, the one with his back to us is bigger than the other one, it looks like.
They could be brothers.
They could be related. Cousins.
Let's go at it.
They're so slow.
Oh dear.
You can't pass on Tinder in the road.